Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. What you do know is this video is from Madame Glam. Madame Glam did send me a box over and we're going to look at what's in it and do some swatching and do some nails. So let's go. Okay, so here's the box, looking standard as always. Thank you, Madame Glam, for sending this over. So this is their May collection. They sent me all of them and they're in the Korean line. This collection is called Pastel Haven. And here's what it says. Let me read it to you. As the warmth of spring fills the air and the vibrant colors of nature come to life, we are delighted to introduce our exquisite Pastel Haven, a celebration of Mother's Day with a touch of Korean elegance. Indulgence in the essence of Korean sophistication with our curated selection of gel polishes, each meticulously crafted to evoke feelings of joy, love, and appreciation for the remarkable mother figures everywhere. Discover colors that are reminiscent of flowers in bloom and bold, bright hues that transport you to a realm of vibrant petals and golden sunshine. The delicate blush tones invite you to indulge in a spectrum of colors that not only elevate your style, but also nurture your nails with a vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free formula. Our collection will captivate the senses and add a touch of luxury to every manicure. Enjoy a long-lasting formula with an infinite shine that will keep your nails glamorous with every stroke. Sounds fantastic, right? Okay, so we've got us a swatch wheel. We've got our polishes out. We're going to go through them. We're going to look at them, and then we're going to make a swatch of them. And then after, we're going to do some nails. So let's start with those swatches. First, let's look out this one. It is called Love Bond. Okay, so it's a bright pink. I thought it was going to be more of a red, but it's a hot pink. Okay, so we'll start here. Get that on there. I am going to see what it looks like with one coat, and then we'll do a second coat if it seems necessary. We're gonna leave that at 1 for now. It's not looking bad. It is self-leveling. Very pretty. I like that color. In real life, it almost is a little bit more neon than it is in the camera, but I don't know how I could make that convey. Next, we'll look at this one. It is called Mama Shine. Now, I believe this is going to be an orange, but you never know. Let's check it out. Okay, so it is an orange, and interestingly enough, this one actually looks more neon in the camera than it does on real life. In real life, it's almost a bit of a peachy orange. All right, yeah, I put a thicker coat of that one on there. Definitely am not gonna need a second coat of that. That's looking real pretty there. I'm feeling the flower vibe. The next one we're gonna check out is called Soft Lullaby. This one's a glitter. All right, so it is shimmery. You can see that, that's pretty. And let's put it on there. Oh yeah, that's looking nice. It is a bit of a sheer. I believe this one is designed to go as a topper or meant to be clear as you wear it. I think I may do the topper method, but also I may not. The nails I have on are like a nude shade, so I don't think wearing them by themselves is going to be the right move this particular time, but look at that. Look at that reflective. That's pretty cute. Next, we'll look at the Muse. All right, this one is a nice creamy blue, looking a little sky-like. I am definitely into that. Very pretty. One of my favorite shades of blue. It's got a bit of a purpley dust hint in there, I would say. And I like that. I might use this shade today. Next we have Enchanting. Wow, that's a vibrant green if I ever saw one. I wouldn't say it's grassy at all. This is like the color of a green Skittle. Really. I could imagine working this into a pretty sweet looking set with how vibrant that is. It's still got that hint of pastel though, so that's pretty cool. Pretty, pretty. Mother's wish. What would a mother wish for if a mother could wish a wish? Would it be a hot pink gel polish? I don't know, but maybe. If you're a mother, what would you wish for from your polish? It leans a little purple in the camera, but in real life, it's like the color of the Barbie box. So that's cool. Her strength, it's another glitter. So very much like the blue one, this one is clear based with the pink glitters in there. And it is very sparkly, very glistening-y. And I really like that. I like that more than I had expected it to. Like, I thought it would be nice in general, but like pink's not one of my favorite colors. But I like this one a lot. It's subtle, but also just pretty enough that it still draws attention, which I like. I might like it more than the blue. Last but not least, we have Gentle Touch. So this one's a purple. It is that lighter pastel-y, violet-y type purple, which I do like. I think it's super appropriate for the season. Right now is not the type, or not the time for one of those dark, witchy purples. This one is quite complementary, I feel, to this color palette that we've got in here. Let's look at them all together. I think they go really nicely. You could make some beautiful flower nails with these, even if you used all of them in a bit of a garden mishmash, and then use the glitter for a little bit of accenting. I think that'd be pretty cool. It's not what I'm gonna do today. That's definitely advanced level artistry, and I am more of a beginner level artistry. But we are gonna make some nails. So let me finalize my decision on colors and then we will do that. Well, I couldn't hardly decide between these, so I'm gonna do both. We're gonna put the creams down for the base and then fade the glitter up, is what I'm thinking. Now, who gets more fingers? One gets 2 fingers, one gets 3 fingers. I think we're gonna do the pink for the 2 and the blue for the 3, but we're gonna put these together in the middle. First though, we're gonna need a base coat. Alright, so I am going to try and be really careful with this. You guys know that I am susceptible to gel allergy. So I'm gonna try really hard not to get it on my skin. And it is so hard to paint with your non-dominant hand. Pardon me if I am outside of the camera or you're looking all down the top of my head. I can't see on the other side of my pinky unless I'm doing that. There's some pretty suspicious noises coming from the walls or ceiling in here, and I can't determine which one it is, and I don't know if it is just one of my family members in the other room moving things around or meddling with something, or if it's like ghosts in the attic. I guess we'll never know. Let me cure this. 60 seconds for Madame Glam. Alright, let's go in with Mother's Wish. And we're gonna do these 2 fingers. I'm going to try and put these on in super thin coats, even if I have to do 2. That way it doesn't get too bulky. Yeah, that's pretty thin, but I'm definitely gonna have to do a second coat because it is so thin that you can see through it. But that's okay. I don't mind as long as it's not bulky. Oh no, that touched me. Remember to go slowly when you're working with your non-dominant hand. It's harder to control. I have to clean that up so we can cure it. Okay, let's quickly do our second coat. 2 fingers. Let's actually put a little bit more because the top part seems to be a bit see-through. Might have got it too thin. May just have to do a 3rd coat, or maybe I just need to let it settle for a moment. That's probably what it is because I'm moving it around so much. Let's just let that have a moment, and then I'm gonna stick it in the lamp and I'll be back. Okay, so we've got our pinks done. Let's go ahead and get started with the Muse, the blue. I'm gonna get my little finger over here so you can see it. And of course, I'm gonna go quickly through this because we don't have the rest of our lives to watch me slowly paint this. Definitely we'll be doing 2 coats on this color. Let's get our index finger as well. All right, we've got our little blues on. Let's stick those in there for 60 seconds. Okay, we're ready for a 2nd coat. Looking real cute, huh? Alrighty, and then I'm gonna stick those in the lamp. I'll be right back. All right, so I've got them all on here. I did actually go ahead and end up doing 3 coats on each so that I could get it nice and opaque. I think I might have got it on there a little thick though doing that because they do seem to be a bit uneven if you can see the light lines, but that's okay. I don't mind. So next we're gonna go in with this ombre brush and we're gonna put on some glitter and drag it up so it fades up as opposed to fading down. Not for any particular reason, I just felt like it. So let's start with Her Strength, the pink one. Okay, and then here's how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna take some and put it down here on the bottom. Not too thick, but thick enough I have something to pull up. And then we'll take this brush and we'll do like this. This is kind of awkward holding it this way, but that's what we've got to do. There we go. That's pretty cute. What do you think? Let's do some on the next one. I hope my hand wasn't obstructing it the whole time, but it probably was. But those are on there. That's cute. I'm gonna wait before I stick these in the lamp though, because I want to do the blue one so we can get it all done at like one go. And this one's called Soft Lullaby, if you'll remember. And I clean the brush off and we're ready just to do it again. Not too much. Yeah, that's cute. All right, now I'm gonna stick these in the lamp for 30 seconds. All right, what are you thinking so far? I think they're very pretty and glistening, but we need to go in and pop on a no wipe top coat. Top coat is where everything tends to come together. It makes it smooth and shiny and brings out the sparkle and the reflectiveness. Again, pardon me if my head is all over the place. I'm just trying to look around my nails so I can see them. How beautiful. Let me stick those in the lamp for 60 more seconds. Okay, so what do you think? I think they're pretty cute and they're so shiny. It's almost like the camera's having a hard time looking at them because they're so pretty. I am gonna go ahead and stick the photos in here now though, and hopefully you can see those better. But again, thank you Madame Glam for sending this collection over for me to try and to show. I love the colors. I think they are perfect for the season, and I really like the quality of these polishes. They are thick but creamy, and the pigment is buildable, however not overwhelming. They are complementary. You can use them with each other in any combination, and the glitters were a nice special effect to go with a great collection of creams. If you don't have anything similar to this already, this would be a great collection to add to what you do have, because these are a variety of staple colors that you can use in many different nail type sets, especially throughout the spring and the summer. I will leave links in the description for the Madame Gleb website, and if I can get you the link for this collection specifically, I'll leave that down there as well. And there is a discount code, so definitely make use of that, save yourself some money. But I'm gonna wrap this up here. Thank you so much for watching my video, especially if you made it to the end. And thank you for your likes and your comments, your interaction. It helps the algorithm, which helps me make these videos for you, which I love to do, and I'm hoping you're loving to watch them. And that'll be the end of this. Thank you once more, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.